Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Little Radhya, and I'm back with another video. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about Python. So, Python is a very interesting and a very known language, a very famous language. HTML, JavaScript, CSS, all these languages are not that popular as Python is, and it is much simpler. So today we're gonna make a app in 15 to 20 minutes. Sorry, not an app. Basically a game which is rock paper and scissor game using Python codes. I'm gonna tell you the basics like variables in Python, and Python is actually a sequel of your normal English speaking. It's a sequel of converting them to into codes, and Python is very important and very used in machinery languages, GUI and IDE. Search all of these up and let's begin coding in Python. So let's begin. So first we're gonna write random import random, right? So what does this exactly mean? We are importing codes. What are we importing? We are importing codes. Okay. Def play, enter. So what does def play means? Default play the game. So basically these brackets, colons, semicolons, and all of these is a code. Is the part of coding in any languages. We have to be using colons, semicolons, bracket, curly brackets, and all of these. And I'm also gonna make a video on why these are used a lot in while coding. So we're gonna write user. Who's the user? User is me. Like I'm playing the game or you are playing the game. So we guys are the user. Okay, we are coding for the user right now. We did the brackets. This is variable. Okay, this is written what's your choice. We're gonna write what's your choice. A question mark. Then space and space. We're gonna specify R for rock, specify S for scissors. Yes, S for scissors. Okay. And P for. So as you know, this is coding. This is not actually you have to write it in what do we say in English. So we are writing input. मतलब पहले यूजर ने लिखा यूजर इक्वल्स टू इनपुट इनपुट मतलब सबसे पहला टास्क द फर्स्ट टास्क इज टू इनपुट समथिंग फ्रॉम आवर एस्पेक्ट from our perspective. So user is typing something, it's coming what's your choice. R is for rock, P is for scissors, sorry, S is for scissors and P is for paper. So you cannot be writing this whole पूरा बड़ा बड़ा नहीं आना चाहिए. That's why we have given it a short name as R, S and P, which is actually better and easier. So now computer is the game जो हमें गेम खिला रहा है. ठीक है, it's computer random. These you have to use your common sense. It's very easy. It's very easy. We have written computer equals to random choice. What does it mean? Random choice. So in this random choice meaning computer will be giving us R, S or P. मतलब we can the processing should be coming like it has to be a scissor, a rock or whatsoever. ठीक है. Random choice के inputs क्या है? R, P, S. Okay. After this, we are leaving two lines and writing if user. So यहाँ पे why is if important and why is if used. So if usage basically is that it is telling us that if the user equals to computer, return, it's a tie. If user wins from the computer, or is equal. So equal sign in coding in Python language is this is equal. If we both win, ठीक है, और हमारा आ रहा है, we are giving t at the simultaneously. So it gonna be, it's gonna be a tie between both of the user and the computer if the answer in the is the when the input is the same. So user and computer is giving the same input, this means it's a tie. So we're just gonna re- oh, return return and write it's okay, it's it's a tie. Easy peasy, right? Very easy, I think it is. Now, if is underscore win user computer. So if is win user comma computer. मॉश मॉश लाडो, अरे क्या है, बस पनीर ले आओ, मैं सब्जी बनाता हूँ. Sorry, and I'm back. So, if is when user, comma computer. This means if it's a if factor. Agar if anyone wins, whether it be user, whether it be computer, we have the choices in both of them. So it's like return you won. Oh, return you won. And if in the case like if I win, if the user wins and the computer loses, so what it be return you lost. Very easy it is. Now we are again putting up a def factor. Default is underscore win the player or the opponent. Who's the opponent? If I'm the player, the opponent is a computer. So we are gonna write the if factors now, which are the most important. So don't miss this fact. So enter. Now we're gonna start writing hashtag return. Oh, return true if player wins. So I'm gonna be telling you why is this all needed and stuff. So just wait. Now one more hashtag, and we're gonna write R is greater than S, comma S is greater than T. Of course, we all know this. Is P, comma then T is greater than R. We again know this. After this, just enter, and we're gonna write if player equals to if it was R and then equals to S. This is, we are giving the scenarios here, ठीक है, which is important. ठीक है, player equals to s and then equals to p or return true. Now we're gonna write print play this and the game is officially over. We have coded for the whole game, rock, paper, and scissor. Now I'm going to explain the whole code to you in a short brief. So मैंने आपको ये बताया that default is win, player, and opponent. So if default, if any one of them wins, if it's player or opponent, return true if player wins. If the player wins, the win title would be coming, and there is the factors like hashtag r is greater than s, meaning rock is greater than a scissor, scissor is greater than a paper, and paper is greater than a rock. Okay, after that, and we can also make changes in this is up to this is up to you, this is my thing, this is up and you can, you know, edit it. Then if player equals to r, then matlab agar if I'm the user, like I'm the player, and if I get r meaning rock and the opponent gets s meaning scissors, okay, who would win? Would I win or would the opponent win? This is up to us because how we code matters. Okay, this code can be edited as you can make it, you know, in your choice. Then we are also given one more factor, which is player equals to s and the opponent equals to p, or return true, meaning you return win. Afterwards, print play. Play is the last button, like we can click on play and play the game. So I think I'm going to also give you a short brief about this whole Visual Studio, as well as how problems, output, debug, console, all these terminals and test results work. What are this edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, and help means. Okay, and all the Visual Studios. People, please use Visual Studio if you are a beginner in Python, because it's very easy, accessible, and free, of course. Afterwards, you can switch to PyCharm as I did, or you can, you know, still be on Visual Studio because it's very nice, whether you're a beginner or whether you're a pro in coding in Python. So, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.